Hey, investors, welcome back. Tata Motors stock has been on a bit of a roller coaster lately, and not in a good way. Over the past 2 days, the stock has fallen more than 3%, continuing a losing streak that's got plenty of investors asking, is now the time to exit? Watch the video fully, then only you can able to know the reason whether to hold or move out. I had told my final opinion in the last. Here's what's going on. As of August 7th, Tata Motors shares are hovering around 645 rupees, a steep drop from their 52-week high of over 1,100. In the last month alone, Tata Motors has lost about 2.6%, which is a bigger hit than the overall auto sector and even the Sensex itself. So what's driving this slide? First, Jaguar Land Rover, the luxury arm that makes up over 70% of Tata's revenue, just cut its profit margin outlook for next year, dropping from an expected 10% down to just 5 to 7%. That's a big red flag for the company's future earnings. Chip shortages, supply chain disruptions, and commodity price volatility can increase production costs. Fluctuations in the British pound or euro, JLR's key markets, could impact earnings. Sales numbers aren't helping either. In July, Tata Motors sold 4% fewer units compared to last year. Passenger vehicle sales took an 11% hit, even though commercial vehicles edged up. And then there's the big news. Tata's buying Italian truck maker Iveco for $4.5 billion. While this could be a long-term play for growth, a lot of investors are spooked by the price tag, pushing the stock down over 4% after the announcement. The Indian EV market is also getting crowded. Mahindra, Hyundai, MG, Tesla are all entering aggressively. Margins on EVs are already thin, so higher competition could reduce profitability. On top of all that, analysts are turning bearish, since Tata Motors delivered a 10-year total price return of 84% with 6.4% compound annual growth rate. Valuation-wise, it's no longer cheap. The market's already pricing in a lot of good news. That means we could see some sideways moves or dips in the short term. Jefferies downgraded the stock, slashing the price target, and the company's latest earnings showed profit falling nearly 50%. So, is it time to panic and sell? Personally, I think it depends on your investing style. If you're in it for the short term, you might be feeling the FOMO to exit right now. But if you believe in Tata's long-term vision, this could be a time for patience, maybe even opportunity. If you ask me the question that if I buy for long-term, the answer is definitely no, because there are many other stocks with better opportunities. Remember, every stock has its ups and downs. What matters most is your strategy and your risk tolerance. Do your own research before investing. We are not SEBI-registered investor.